Easter, everybody. Hope you're doing well out there. We're excited here over at the household for field tripping because I'm actually about to go on a little hunt. My wife hooked me up with a sweet little surprise, and she said I got to run out there and just start looking. I'll know what to get when I see it. Hopefully I'm ready to go. I brought you guys along, so I thought it'd be a lot of fun. My dog is little bear is having a blast with. You can tell there's excitement in the air. I'm showing you here some pretty plants because I'm over here in the waiting area, the staging area, if you will, for a sweet little Easter style hunt. And so here we go. I think I have the green light and I'm able to go. I'm going to bring you guys along. Let's go see what we can find. Boom, boom, boom. Don't mind the mesh. You can see I'm working on a few projects here. Boom, boom, boom. Not too bad, right? All right. We're on the hunt. We're on the hunt for something. She said I'll know it when I see it, and she said I'll like it. I just see my lemons. I just see something. Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! Yeah, baby. Okay, all right. Now I'm on it. Okay, now I know what to look for. She hooked me up with some sweet colored pots. All right. I forget how many she said there were, but we'll see. I'm just gonna keep looking. Oh shoot, dude! I think I found one. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Oh, she knows me too well. Look at that. All right. Boom, baby. All right, we're on to 2. Let's go get some more. Let me keep looking. Let me see. You can see I'm on my side yard here. She wouldn't put him back here. That's okay. She'd know better. She'd keep him in the field of play. You can see I cut down some vines yesterday. Here's my shit. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh dude, look at that color. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, I can't wait to plant these. Let me go put it with the other. All right, boom. Now we got 3. All right, got to keep going. Now I know I'm gonna speed it up. Luckily, no one's competing with me, or else I would really be getting frantic. All right. Ooh, dang! How many of these did she get? Oh my God, they look good. I'm just gonna hold on to this one. This one's coming with. Okay, over there. No. Okay. Let's see here. Boom. Oh shoot. All right, I'm grabbing that one. Look at that. Okay, I think that's 5. I got 5 all together. You know what? I'm gonna stack you guys. You're coming with. I don't want to wait. Yeah, like I said, luckily I'm not competing, or else I'd really be getting furious. I'd be going a little faster. Okay, look at this. If you guys saw that one, just grabbed it. Ooh, another orange one. I like it. Oh, that's 6 all together. Let's see if I can bring these ones with me. Oh my gosh, dude, this is awesome. I cannot wait to fill these up with some plants. You know what? I just noticed this. I was looking, and then boom, found one hiding here. Look at that. Look, I gotta do some weeding. Look at this. This is a heuchera in here, and it's just getting beat up by all these weeds. Anyhow, okay. Looking good. Let's see. Boom. Okay, I think she said there was that 7. I believe she said there was going to be 8, maybe 9. So let's keep going. We're almost done. Hang with me, folks. You know what? They're too big. I'm gonna have to leave them behind. Sorry, I'm leaving you behind. Here's my compost pile. You know I love that. Oh my gosh, she hid one in my compost pile. She knew I'd find it there. She should have hit it better because that was almost too easy. I seen that one. I saw it. I seen you. But look at that. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my God, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna have to look at the end. I think she said there's one more. Dang it, I don't see it. She said it was over in this area. Got a couple little heuchera coming back over here. There's my thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank gosh it didn't fall. That would have been a bummer. All right, let's put them all together and see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. All right, now this is how a gardener does an Easter egg hunt. So let me get these with their friends, and I want to put them all together. Oh, there's my way. Look, I got a little lawn here, but it is so shady. It's hard to keep it looking good. Oh my gosh. Okay, here, let me set these out. Oh my God. Boom. Oh, Bear's getting excited. He loves having fun. Oh my gosh, was that 9? 8 or 9 now? Okay, let's see. 2, 4. Bear, no more, baby. Sorry about that, y'all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, now that is how a gardener does a nice Easter egg hunt. You know I'm excited. So hey, I hope you guys are having a great day. Just be well, take care of each other, and always have fun. And you know, from our gardeners, happy gardening, best wishes. Hey, I hope you're all doing well. Take care, everybody. Bye. Hope your Easter was as good as mine.